In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily add photos in Notion to make your pages more engaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. From your Notion homepage, open the Workspace and page where you want to add a photo or create a new one. On the page, type a / and select image from the menu. This is the fastest shortcut. Now, click Upload File, choose the photo from your device, and it will instantly appear on your page. If the file size is too large, quickly resize it to keep your page loading fast. Once uploaded, click the image to customize, resign, crop, or align it to fit perfectly into your layout. When you're happy with the look, Notion automatically saves it so no extra steps are needed. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a photo in Notion. Simple, clean, and perfect for personal notes, school projects, or professional documents. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and happy Notioning!